students in my YouTube channel. I am Anil Patil. Students, in last video we discussed one beautiful poem, Father Returning Home by Indian poet Dilip Chitri. And today we are going to see the appreciation of the same poem, Father Returning Home. Friends, you know the following points to be covered in an appreciation of a poem in your question paper in question 3B. The points are about the poet, poem and title, then theme or central idea of the poem. After that, language or poetic style and poetic devices. Then, special features of the poem. After that, message or moral value of the poem. And last one is your opinion of the poem. In your question paper, the 4 points will be asked for an appreciation of the poem. Now let us see the actual appreciation of the poem. The first point is about the poet, poem and title. Let us see about the poet. Dilip Chitri was a celebrated and famous poet in Indian writing in English. He was a bilingual poet, wrote in English as well as in Marathi. He was a critic, painter, translator and filmmaker. He received the prestigious Sahitya Academy Award for his poetry as well as translation of work, says Tuka. So, Dilip Chitri was a celebrated, famous Indian poet in Indian writing in English. He was bilingual poet, means he wrote in English as well as in Marathi. He was critic, painter, translator and filmmaker. He got prestigious Sahitya Academy Award for his work, says Tuka. After that, about the poem. The poem entitled Father Returning Home is taken from Traveling in a Cage, a collection of poems. It is an autobiographical poem. In this poem, the poet shows loneliness of an old man in modern society by depicting a picture of his own old father returning home from work. But in home, his children refuse to share joy and sorrow with hard-working father. So, Father Returning Home is taken from Traveling in a Cage, a collection of poems written by Dilip Chitri. It is an autobiographical poem. In this poem, the poets want to show loneliness of an old man in modern society by presenting picture of his own old father returning home. But in home, father can't get good treatment. His children do not share any kind of joy or sorrow with hard-working father. After that, title of the poem. In the poem, Father Returning Home, the father is the central character of the poem. The poem deals with the daily routine activities of father and loneliness of father. So, in this poem, the central character is father. The poem is only about father, his works, his labor, his sorrows, his pains, and so it is only about the father. Now let us see the second point of the appreciation, that is theme or central idea of the poem. The theme of the poem include estrangement, alienation, isolation, old age in modern society, and generation gap. So theme includes estrangement, means alienation or isolation, and old age in modern society. The poet depicts picture of an old man in modern society in metropolitan cities and generation gap. In home, children do not want to share secrets and joy with his own father. There is not any kind of communication between father and children. Nobody wants to entertain the father with jokes. So the poem is about generation gap. Now let us see the third point of the appreciation, that is language or poetic style and poetic devices. The language used in the poem is simple. The use of present participle, standing, unseen, getting up, eating is remarkable. Father returning home is a free-verse poem. So there are no poetic pattern is followed in the poem. There is no set of rhyme scheme. There are 24 lines in the poem. Alliteration, simile, personification and repetition increasing the beauty of the poem. Now I can see him getting off the train like a word dropped from long sentence. This is a fine piece of simile. So father's getting off the train is compared with a word dropped from a long sentence. Then special features of the poem. Poet uses some visual imagery to describe pain and misery of an old man. He is getting down from the train like a word dropped from a long sentence. The images of local train, late evening, yellow light, dimmed eyes are remarkable. Then the fifth point is message or moral value. Father returning home is a dramatic monologue. In this poem, the poet talks about father's loneliness, alienation from the man-made world. The present poem depicts the condition of an old man in modern world in metropolitan cities. So, in this poem, the poet wants to show the condition of an old man in modern society in metropolitan cities. Now we are moving the last point, that is my opinion of the poem. The poem Father Returning Home is a real picture of the modern society. It depicts picture of metropolitan cities. I think it is easy to understand. So this is the appreciation of poem Father Returning Home by Dilip Chitri. Friends, I hope you will like my video. I request you to subscribe my channel. Thank you.